Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to increase the text size on your MacBook. It's very easy. Let's go. If you want to increase the font size on any website, you can press and hold the Command button and then press the plus button. To decrease the font size, press Command and minus buttons. To set default font size, press Command and 0. The next way to increase the font size on any website is to use a touch screen. For this, place your two fingers together on the touch screen and then separate them. Our text has been increased, and also we can decrease our font size, separate our fingers and connect it together. And we have a small font size. The third way is if you want to change macOS system font. To do this, press the Apple icon, next click System Settings, and here find Displays. Click Displays, and we see that we have a default text size, and we can make it smaller or larger. We have a smaller resolution and we have a larger font size. We can large it again to small our resolution, and we can make the largest text. Try it. And when we use the scaled resolution, some applications may not fit entirely on screen. Change resolution, and we have the largest text size. To make it the default, click Default Resolution, and we have the default system size. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day and see you.